Hello everyone, welcome to another coding exercise session. We're going to write a program that compares two numbers and prints whether the first number is greater than the second one. In order to do that, I'm initializing and declaring and initializing two variables called num1 and num2. I'm assigning 10 and 5 to them respectively. And in the output, I'm using the print keyword and I'm checking to see if the first number is greater than the second one using this comparison operator. So the first one is 10 and the second one is 5. So it means that 10 is larger than 5. Is it correct? Yes. Therefore, it is going to print true in the output. Okay. But if I have number 1 equal to 1, we expect to see the output to be false, as you see here. So this is how logical comparison operators is going to work for Boolean expressions. Thank you for watching.